Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 10 lines on parrot. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. 10 lines on parrot. Number 1. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. Number 2. It has a red beak and colorful feathers. Number 3. Parrot's beak is short, strong and curved. Number 4. It is found in almost all the warm countries. Number 5. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds. Number 6. It has the wonderful quality of copying the human voice. Number 7. It generally lives in the hollows of trees. Number 8. It can fly very fast. Number 9. Some people keep in a small cage, which is not good. Number 10. It eats grains, fruits, leaves, seeds, pears, nuts, mangoes, and boiled rice, etc. Thank you for watching.